Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix the camera application crashing or lagging in your INFINIX Hot 60i. At first you need to go straight to the camera settings application. So at first hold your finger on the camera application shortcut and tap App Info. Here tap Storage and Cache, Clear Storage, delete. Now if you open the camera application, nothing should occur. If it's still occurring and it's still broken, you have to restart your device. You have to hold the power and volume up button, but of course you have to tap it, not miss it like I do. And once you do, you need to just turn off your device. But wait a moment. I love this phone lagging so much. I don't know if it's only my own my own here. As you can see now, it works. You have to just tap restart and restart. I don't know why my phone is so lagging so much. I think that this is only issue of my device, and I hope that this is only my own experience, not yours. Just restart your device and everything should be working fine. Sorry for my struggling, but this is only my damaged phone. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Now I hope that your camera application is not crashing or lagging. Goodbye.